Multiply 1000 by 425 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 5 times 1 is 5. The first partial product is 5000. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 2 times 1 is 2. The second partial product is 20,000. Now use the hundreds digit, 4. Start two places to the left. 4 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 4 times 1 is 4. The third partial product is 400,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the 10 negative thousands column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the 100 negative thousands column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 425,000. So 1000 times 425 is 425,000.